This is a former Marget train in Hobart, a unique Tasmanian experience, also known as the picnic train. These tracks just all descends down to the grass. I don't know if they were real. I don't know if this train used to use these tracks to go somewhere. And there's one thing we all need to know, and it's time to hop on these ladders and show you what's inside. And there it is. Look at what's inside this train carriage. This is probably the wheel where they used to stir when the train goes around. These are just some other materials for the train to move on. These two wheels move as well. Time to get out of here. We're gonna check out the other carriages of the train and see what food they serve. Hi.
Hey, how you going?
Good.
So what?
Yeah, good. I'm just filming something.
Yeah, go for it.
Thank you. Look at this train. This is the belonging beer. We're open. These are some other carriages right there. That carriage here is closed. The pancake train. Unfortunately, the cafe is closed today. And this is the end of the carriage. And besides here, there's a little train playground